Welcome to this Monkey Fist tutorial. I'm Aaron the Arborist, this is the Chainsaw Channel. Subscribe, leave a like, but without further ado, let's get right into it.
Alright, so you're going to start off with about 4 feet of cord, and you are going to tie a half hitch in the one end and work it as close to the end as possible. So to start off, lay your rope across your hand like this. You want to do 3.5 wraps. 3.5. Now you're going to take the slack and you're going to pass it through the back and bring it around the front between your pinky or your pointer and your index finger. Now you're going to slide off this rope from your hand, keeping all the layers set evenly. You're going to do 3 wraps. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Now you're going to take this rope, the other end piece, and you're going to pass it through this hole and around this middle piece and through here. Just like that. Okay? Now, you're going to make sure that this knot is on the left side, on the bottom, and you're going to do 3 wraps around the middle piece. Only the middle, right? Working from left to right. So you go down, through here, and then you're going to come up through here. And then back down in here. And then back up through here. And then one last time for a 3rd wrap around the middle. You'll come up, sorry, you'll go down through there. And now you're going to take your cord and just pass it up and let it hang on the right side like so. So now's a good opportunity to go around your knot and make sure that your layers are set evenly, and as you can see they're good. They're not twisted or anything. They can sort of be fixed a little bit, so you can see that we have the basic shape of this monkey fist. So you're going to take your knot and you're going to push it in the very middle of your monkey's fist, right in there like that. And as you push in, this one piece is going to come out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this one piece here and you're going to pull it tight like that. And then this piece is going to come out. And all you're going to do is tighten everything and work it back and forth like this, making sure that all your layers sit evenly among each other. And when you can't find where this one goes, you just give it a slight pull. See that? It's coming out right here. And you pull that. Nice and tight. Alright, so there you go. That is a successfully made monkey fist. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned it. I hope you got it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and check out some more of my videos. Leave a like, drop a comment. Peace out.